Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating error 11 on your Rheem Tankless water heater in 2025, don't worry. We're going to tackle this step by step and get you back to enjoying hot showers in no time. Error 11 is a common issue that usually points to an ignition failure, often caused by problems like gas supply interruptions, dirty burners, or sensor glitches. It's super important to handle this safely, so let's start with the basics. First things first, prioritize your safety. Turn off the power supply to the water heater at the circuit breaker and shut off the gas valve. This prevents any accidents while you're working. Once that's done, let's check the gas supply. Make sure your gas line is fully open and that there are no leaks. Use a soapy water solution to test for bubbles around connections. If everything looks good there, it's time to inspect the unit itself. Next, locate the access panel on your Rheem Tankless heater and remove it carefully. Look for any buildup of dust or debris on the burners or igniter. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean these areas, as dirt can block the ignition process. After cleaning, reassemble the panel and reset the unit by turning the power back on and pressing the reset button if your model has one. Now, test the heater by running hot water and see if error 11 has cleared. If it persists, double-check for other potential issues like a faulty flame sensor or low gas pressure, which might require a multimeter for testing. Remember, if you're not comfortable with any of this, it's always best to call in a professional technician. By following these steps, you should resolve error 11 and keep your water heater running smoothly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.